Welcome to this .NET MAUI Kanban Board tutorial. Using the Syncfusion .NET MAUI Kanban Board, you can easily visualize the various stages of a workflow by organizing tasks into columns. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a Kanban board with both auto-generated columns and manually defined columns. Before you begin, ensure you have installed the latest version of Visual Studio 2022 with the required .NET MAUI workload. You should also have one of the .NET SDKs installed on your machine. After installing the necessary tools, launch Visual Studio 2022 and click Create a new project on the dashboard. From the list of project templates, select the .NET MAUI application and provide the project name and location. Next, create a project with the .NET 8.0 framework. Now the default application is ready to use. Before proceeding, let me take a quick detour to set up the application's environment. I select the Android emulators from the list to view the output in the Pixel 5 emulator. Now I'll run the application to show you the default output. The application compiles the default code in a few seconds. See, the application's home page is displayed. Next, to incorporate Kanban into the application, I need to install the Syncfusion MAUI Kanban NuGet package. So I open the NuGet package manager and switch to the Browse tab. I search for the Syncfusion MAUI Kanban package, select, and install it in my project. After the package is installed, I need to register the handler for Syncfusion Core to map the cross-platform control API to the native View API. I open the MAUI program CS file and add the Syncfusion MAUI Core hosting namespace. Then I register the Syncfusion Core handler by adding the configure Syncfusion Core method. Registering a trial license key is necessary to use the Syncfusion MAUI controls. So I open the appsaml CS file and add the register license method with the trial license key. To find out where to generate it, please refer to the instructions link in the description below. Next, I navigate to the main page XAML to initialize the control. I'll remove the default code from the content page section and import the Syncfusion MAUI Kanban namespace. Then I initialize the .NET MAUI Kanban control. Next, I navigate to the main page CS file, create a ViewModel class, and define a property called cards. After that, create a constructor and define a new instance of the built-in Kanban Model class, assigning it to the cards property. Then add a new Kanban model object to the cards collection, which includes properties such as ID, title for the card, image URL, and category to assign the cards to the respective columns, description, indicator color, and tags that will be displayed at the bottom of the card. Similarly, you can create any number of cards with different values. Next, I navigate to the main page XAML. Here I'll import the local namespace. Then set the view model as the binding context for the content page to bind and display data. Next, bind the cards to the item's source property. As you can see, the Kanban board is displayed with the provided data. These columns are generated automatically based on the provided category. You can also create the columns by using the columns property. Before proceeding, I disable the existing columns by setting the auto-generate columns to false. You can see the Kanban board is not rendered. Next, to create columns, define the columns property followed by Kanban column. Then, set the title to To-Do and the categories to Open. Similarly, create columns for the states, In Progress, Code Review, and Done. Once the application is loaded, you will see that the cards are displayed according to their respective categories. Let's wrap up this video. You learned how to add the Syncfusion.NET MAUI Kanban Board to your .NET MAUI application. You also learned how to generate a Kanban board with both auto-generated columns and manually defined columns. If you want to see this example's work in code, download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also included a link to check if you qualify for our community license, which gives you a free license key for all of our .NET MAUI controls. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.